Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Hutch eSIM step by step. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply come here on hutch.lk, and over here what you need to do is you need to simply select the option of home page. Afterwards, you need to get the eSIM, and here when you get the eSIM, you are going to get the QR code, and that QR code will be either here in the Hutch website. When you log in into your account, you will get that, or you can get that via the email address. So whichever method with the help of which you have the QR code, you just have to do nothing but to just simply select the option of install eSIM or add eSIM or add mobile plan settings, and then you need to scan the QR code that will be provided to you. Afterwards, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically install the eSIM profile. Now once the installation is completed, you can enable the Hutch eSIM and choose it as your preferred line for the mobile data. So you will find that setting when you go to the cellular inside your iPhone, and inside the cellular you will be shown the Hutch eSIM option on the top. So underneath it you will be shown the option of turn on this line. So just have to simply turn that toggle button on, wait for a few minutes until your phone connects to the Hutch network automatically, and that's how you can basically activate it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.